Are you constantly cracking and popping your back to find some relief from your back pain? It's not a bad thing, but provides only short-term relief. Instead, let's show you easy stretches that will definitely help in long run. Downward dog, squeezing and stretching the lower back. Arm stretches. Stretch your arms out above your head slowly. Standing elongation. Stand at a door hinge and really pull at your upper back.